Old timers say when you get an east wind, we're going to get moisture. Small chance we might get that. Let's see what the radar is going to tell us. I figured about 11 o'clock this morning is going to start to snow. That's what the weather app has been saying. Well, I got some eggs here this morning, fed the chickens. A storm coming in. If I throw all the bedding down, it's all going to be covered up with snow. So. I'm not going to spread it around. I'll leave the twines on it because I am afraid if they're going to get close to it and then they're going to make a mess on it. Then I got this big pile of hay there. I've got two big cows hiding behind the windbreak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these windbreaks. We got an east wind right now. Let's take it so that they go on the west side of it and be protected of it. Picking up a bit. See that a little bit of snow. The cows are content. So I just wanted to get in behind the windbreak here. Like you see how it's. I'm going to get behind this one, and there I could feel the difference. Snow's not moving as much. Hello. If it's going to be blizzardy tonight, cows have a chance to get behind here and These are the round bale feeder rings that I'd have to go with some of the round bale feeders. We're going to weld that sometimes. We won't do that for a while, probably after Christmas sometimes, maybe be into the new year. There's some other projects that really have to get done here on the farm. So today we fed the calves, gave them 2 bales of hay, and they'll be good for a couple of days. And we went to go see the cows, and we kind of adjusted the windbreaks because of the storm that's planning to come. And we collected eggs. Well, did kind of normal things. I did some office work today as well, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.